What's up, friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kaye, and we're kicking off another video, guys. Another March Madness haul edition. You read the title. We haven't did a Shein haul in a while, and when y'all see this haul, I don't know what I was thinking. Let's just say that. Two of the things I actually sent back, I'll insert pictures of that later. But before we get started, if this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through. And I hope that you stay, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know. And I do mean it. And for all my returning subscribers, come here, y'all, give me a hug. All right, y'all. We already like almost a minute and a half in and I ain't see shit. So let's get this party started. All right. I wanted to make this like a spring and summer haul. But I got, like I said, it's a little bit all over the place like I have been for the past couple of months. So, baby, we got all the seasons. All the seasons. So let's just get into it. First things first, we got this little blazer. I don't know how I feel about it. Now that my hair color, it matched my hair color so well. It's going to have to go on top of something. Well, how did I got it on? Girl, when I first tried it on, which was off the camera, I was like, well, where's the collar at? Where's the collar? The sleeves are short. I probably should have sent this back with the other two things, but I guess if you push it up, it's not too bad. So it's thin, but not thin, not like paper thin, like not paper thin, but it's good enough where you can, if it gets cold in your office, you can definitely throw this on. If you wear it out in the spring, you should be good. The summer, it just depends on if you're the type of person that get cold or not. If you like me, hot nature sis, it ain't gonna work. Next number is this jacket. I absolutely in love with it. It's purple. I'm telling y'all that because who's trying to come in on the low? Okay, I'm telling y'all that because anyway, I'm telling y'all that it's purple because when I ordered it, it looked black on my little phone screen, child. But then when I put, ooh, why would you order this at the end of February? Nobody gets to see it until next year. Oh my God, maybe I should go to a winter state. They say it's snowing in Vegas. Girl, so y'all gotta get this jacket. It's almost worth the sweat. It's almost worth me just sitting there sweating with it on. Just say, look at me. Huh? I love it. If it was so hot, I'd keep it on the whole vlog, but it's too hot. All the links for this stuff will be linked below. Y'all know how we do. But yeah, girl, it's this purple rain. Speaking of purple rain, y'all know I'm doing my t-shirts and my little, what you call it? I can see this with a crop purple rain t-shirt on. Oh, Prince, girl, we gonna name, I can't name this jacket Prince, but yes, I can. This is my purple rain jacket. I could not wait to wear her. Oh my God, I hate that it took me so long, but here we are. Guys, we're still on the jacket theme. And I already know if you've been following me for a little bit, and if you haven't, you still got time, honey. I got a link list below. Go ahead and click and catch up with your girl. Hey, y'all. I know. Why I keep ordering jackets like this, I don't know. I don't know. For one, online, this was giving leather look online, like faux leather. So it's like, oh, okay, that's different. The sleeves are long. I don't know, y'all. I love a little jacket like that. I guess y'all done figured it out already. But the difference between this is just detailed on the arm. And I really like that detail. So you can push this up as well if need be. So you can wear it long or short. But I am really feeling this jacket. Again, will. All right, guys. Y'all, my colors is really green this season. I'm really feeling green. So we got this blazer, and if you watch, like I said, if you've been watching me, I know y'all see me with another green blazer in another vlog, as well as I actually had it on the last vlog, but this one is longer. It's actually a little big. But I like it. I like it. I actually like the bigness. The sleeves could have been done a little better. Y'all excuse me, that's the back door, child. The door to the garage is, if y'all keep hearing that noise, that's what that is. But the sleeves could have been done a little better, I'm not gonna lie. And now that I'm looking at, and I would say get this to fit, because now that I'm looking at it even scrunched up, I don't know. I know I can make it, I'll make it work, because I'm not paying $7.99 for it to go back at this point, since I done already sent something back from this one. But y'all, what y'all think? It's not, I can't stand up. I'm on my tippy toes, girl. I'm gonna get this down pat. At least you're seeing more than usual. It's down to like, it covers my butt. So you know this thing is like, I could have went down a size. But anyway, y'all see, I'm 5'8". We not finna talk about the weight. But the links will be below. I'm starting to sweat, y'all. Let me get this jacket off. Hey guys, so y'all know that them old flashes is kicking in. So we're gonna have to speed the party up, which means you ain't gonna see this on today, but you will see it on, especially this. This is a little plain, long, oversized t-shirt dress. I am in love with it. Don't ask me why. Don't ask me why, but it is super cute. I'm actually going to be wearing this soon, and I'm hoping that, because I'm planning to wear it with some short boots. Now that I think of it, there's 2 pairs that I could possibly wear with it. I'm gonna ask y'all which ones. But it's gonna be at night, so it's gonna be a little cool, and they're like booties. They're getting these boots. I don't care if it is March. They gonna get these boots because I ain't worn them yet. Y'all know, because y'all would have seen them by now. But yes, this little t-shirt dress. I can't wait to show y'all what I'm gonna do with it. Can't wait. Plain, simple, nothing spectacular about it until it's on. All right, guys, we're still in the t-shirt dress category. This little t-shirt here, I'm probably gonna put the picture of the model up so you guys can see what made me order them, you know. So this one has perfume on it because I was gonna wear it yesterday and I end up not wearing it. But it's actually an off the shoulder shirt. I'm gonna put the picture here. Yes, I really love this little outfit. I don't know why I didn't wear it yesterday. I guess because I wanted to wear that other 2-piece, which is the same color as this. But yeah, plain and simple, but I love her. I love her. This right here, y'all, is my swag. Okay, guys. This right here is a two-piece skirt set. The skirt is pretty long. I'm tall, so it stops at my ankles, but that's fine. I'm okay with it because it looks cute together with this little crop top shirt. And I'm going to insert a picture of the model here. So see, y'all see why I got that? Cute. Links will be below. I wish I knew all the prices, y'all. That's why I'm putting the links below so y'all don't miss out and y'all can get, because I can't tell you, they all was on clearance. Except for Purple Rain. I think Purple Rain was regular price, but it was fine. It was worth it. So, these last two items, they for going up under the blazers. Y'all gonna see these a lot. I know I said that about the YMI jeans. You getting ready to see them soon. But these little bustiers, y'all, these little denim bustiers, super cute. Now this one, I can fit. I'm gonna put a picture of how it looks up. I'm gonna put a picture of how this one looks over here. But this one, baby, them 2 gym memberships gonna have to get me on together, because I'm almost there. I'm like stand up, hold on, lay down, like ooh, like it can zip, but the zipper gonna break if I keep it on. So yeah, we ain't gonna do that. But y'all, those are my finds that I got from Shein this time, y'all. Like I said, it was a little all over the place. The next, I do have several events coming up, so I've been ordering some things. So I'm super excited about bringing you guys along. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul just as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. And if you see something you like, tag your girl in it and let her know on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram handle down here below. And guys, I will see you the day after tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Like film in a movie, nigga, gon' let them have it. We ballin' like the March Madness. All this cop